So several times I have to park very far because these Costco's can get very full. So I'm here searching for new arrivals. I've seen some cool stuff all over social media, so I'm very excited to see what we're gonna find. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up since that truly does support my channel, and as always, your support means the world to me. So guys, let's go ahead and grab a cart and let's get shopping. I have a walk from the Tramontina brand that is about a year old, and mine has been holding up really nice, so it's nice to see another product from them. I don't think I've ever seen them bring out like skillet sets. I think usually they bring out like one pan kind of things, and this time around though I didn't see the price tag here at this Costco location, but I did check online, and online it's selling for $40. So I'm thinking maybe at the store it'll cost like anywhere between $33 to up to $35. But 3 different measurements. You have an 8, a 10-inch, and a 12-inch skillet in the set. And this is what I'm starting to see on social media. The Blendjet is back at Costco, and it seems like they brought out the same exact colors they had last time. You have one of a black and the other one mint color. These are priced at $50. Again, a 2-pack. And from what I know, these you just have to pretty much like recharge them, so they're cordless. You don't need to like stay close to an outlet so that you can use electricity to operate it. You don't need to do any of that. If you're a person that's constantly on the go, something like this could work for you, because you can make like protein shakes, you can make baby food on this, mix drinks if you want to, sauces, dressings, and so many other things. I know at one point they had a recall for them, so it seems like this is their new 2024 edition, but from what I can tell, they pretty much stayed the same compared to their last version. I know a lot of people liked the cooling throws that Costco came out with a couple months ago. I thought I should also share that they just came out with the cooling comforter. It's from a different brand though. This one's Allied Home, and I spotted it going for $50. That's $50 for the queen size, by the way. Here are the measurements for it. I saw the material and it wasn't like extremely thick, but it's definitely on the thicker side, kind of like a normal size for a comforter. But it does have a cool sensation to it, so I thought these would be perfect for summer, especially for those of us that, you know, at least for me, I always feel like I need something to cover myself with, even though it's like 90 degrees in the room. So they also spotted it in size king, and they had them again in 2 colors, white and blue. And the king one though is a little higher in terms of price, and it's selling for $60. I really like the color options for this 3-piece quilt set. This one is by Jennifer Adams, and it's also available in size queen and king. This one you have 2 shams and 1 quilt. That's what's included. I spotted it going for $40. They had it not only available in white, they also had it in green, and then there's the blue one. And then down here you can see that's the gray one. These are really nice colors. Apparently it says here that you can use them like year round, but in terms of the material, I don't think it's thick enough to, you know, for us to like survive during the winter time. And I'm in California and I think it's cold during our winter, so I can't imagine other people in other states. But keep in mind, the queen one was selling for $40. The queen one though is selling for $50. I always make sure to grab all of my towels from Costco. I always feel like they have such nice big towels, and the material of them is pretty good. But some of them, you know, you have to wash them and dry them like quite a few times in order to get that like lint out. These are selling for $10, and I really like these designs. Look at these. You have some that are patterned and some a little bit more of a solid color. I'm definitely one to reach more for the grays and maybe this kind of blue. You know, someone that likes a little bit more color in their bathroom, but it seems like it's a nice option. This one is a woman-owned company, and there you have the measurements for these towels. So at this point in Costco's, we've seen cooling throws, we've seen the cooling comforters, and now they have the cooling memory foam pillow. I think I've seen a similar product by another brand. I can't quite remember, but this one is by Beautyrest. It's selling currently for $35, and I only spotted standard size or / queen. It says here it's dual cool, and then you have an aqua cool coating technology. It sounds very interesting. I have a pillow that is memory foam that I did purchase through Costco. Actually, I think that one only goes on sale like maybe once a year or so, but I remember I grabbed it with a coupon. But I haven't tried this one. If anyone's tried it and they like it and they recommend it, feel free to share it with all of us. I feel like Costco has these year-round. At least I think that's the situation in my location. The brand is called Purely Indulgent. Has anyone tried this hand wash set? You have a 4-pack, 2 hand towels, 2 washcloths, 100% cotton though, and it's selling for $11. I spotted these in a couple of different colors, not only white, they also had it in green and blue. And then over here is the gray one. I want to say it's been about a year since I purchased this 3-piece set of the fry pans from the Henkel's brand. In mine, I mean, they're still non-stick. They function 100% well. I really like them. So these are currently priced at $75. These do go on sale once in a while, but if you're like in extreme need of new fry pans, this is still a great price. I like the measurements of them too. The 8-inch one, I usually, again, I use it for like myself to cook some eggs. The 12-inch is the one I cook a lot of chicken in, especially when I'm cooking for like 2 days or so. But these are also oven safe, and I like the cool touch handles. Those handles never get hot, so that's one of the main reasons why I actually like this brand. I've been thinking of purchasing these sheet pans, and let me know if anyone's purchased these before and if they've held up well. These are by the brand Nordicware. They're selling currently for $18. They come in a 4-pack, and not only do they look cute to like serve food, but I also thought they were small enough to fit like in your counter oven. I have like a little, what is it, like an air fryer that would fit with these sheet pans, or the sheet pans would fit in the air fryer, I should say. And I thought, you know, it would look nice whenever I have like leftovers, especially like when it comes to fried food. I prefer to heat it up in the oven or in my air fryer. And I thought these were the perfect size for that. One thing that I'm seeing everyone grab today are these Melona bars. These are very fruity and creamy, and I know one of the more popular flavors in this pack has got to be the melon. Let me know if you agree with that. These are selling currently for $12.59. I know at some point they're gonna have like a coupon to them, so if you want to wait, that's also a great option. Here are the nutrition facts information, anywhere between 110 to 130 calories. You have 3 different flavors: melon, mango, and coconut. A while back, one of my subscribers let me know about this shrimp ceviche, and I just realized that this thing is like freshly made. The ingredients are so simple on it. 32 ounces at $10.49. I mean, if you're ever like in a rush, like me, oftentimes I come out of Costco and I'm like, what am I going to eat? I should probably just grab this shrimp ceviche and call it a day. Half a cup at 45 calories, and look at these ingredients. It's pretty much like everything that I would add if I were to make it myself. I'm kind of curious to know how long of a shelf life it has, and at least for this one, it says 27th of April of 2024. Let me know if you've tried it before. This one also sounds really tasty. It's charbroiled, boneless, skinless chicken thighs in a white wine sauce with mushrooms. 2.25 pounds at the price of $14. The brand is called Today's Kitchen. I don't think we've seen that brand here before at Costco. Here are the nutrition facts. For 5 ounces, around 17 grams of protein, 10 grams of carbs, and 8 grams of fat. But remember, you're probably going to want to add something on the side, you know, whether it's a small salad or pasta, or like it says here, like even like a rice bowl. 2 of my favorite cookies from the Girl Scouts are always Thin Mints and the samosas. Seems like these are the Thin Mint Bites though, and they're selling for $12 for a 20-ounce bag. Let me know if you like these. 140 calories for every about 9 pieces. Does have around 16 grams of sugar, of course, because it's chocolate, and there you have a list of the ingredients. These mango chunks and extra light syrup also seem like they're new to Costco. You have 8 cups per each box, and then they also come with tajin packets that you can just add to it. These are currently selling for the price of $11. And then when it comes to the nutrition facts, 1 container is around 100 calories, whether you add tajin or not. This cereal is also new to Costco, and as you can see, it's Trix. 1 bag of Trix, I should say, and then 1 bag of Cocoa Puffs. Honestly, for me, I would prefer to have 2 bags of Cocoa Puffs and, you know, out with the Trix, but let me know what you think. These are currently selling for the price of $8. In terms of nutrition facts, here you have the information. Seems like the Cocoa Puffs is 20 calories less per each serving, and in terms of sugar, it's about the same, pretty much 12 grams per each serving. The bucket hats are back at Costco. These are from the Adidas brand. They also have UPF 50 to them, and these are selling for $17. These are only available in 1 size, and they have them available in gray and then also in black. It's nice to see Banana Republic at Costco. This one is a 3-pack of the Essential V-neck t-shirts. I spotted them not only in white, but also in black. And these are very basic t-shirts, but I thought they were really nice. Banana Republic, again, always brings quality stuff. So I wish, and I'm crossing my fingers, they bring them out for women too. It's 95% cotton and 5% spandex. There you have some of the measurement recommendations. But again, it's my first time seeing these at Costco. And right now they're selling for the price of $20. During summertime, a lot of us need an air inflator, and so it seems like Costco got the memo and brought this one out. You can inflate your motorbikes, the bikes, the sports balls that you may use. These are currently selling for $40, and it's like it's portable because it's small. Here's everything that it comes with. Seems like the Hydra Hide leather work gloves for men are back at Costco. These are water resistant and the material of it is very breathable. These are currently selling for $30, and keep in mind these come in a 3-pack. Several uses for these, including outdoor work, maintenance, or even if you do like landscaping. Here's another type of work glove that I haven't seen before. These are made of latex though, 10 pairs, and they're selling for the price of $10. It's my first time seeing the belt bag. These are actually really nice. I've seen a couple people at Costco like go shopping with these, and I thought they looked very fashionable. I only spotted them in beige though, and I spotted them going for $9.97. It's been a long time since I've seen a foot treatment duo at Costco, so it seems like this time around they brought out the Barefoot Scientist. This was priced at $25. But it's definitely a product I've personally never tried, so if anyone here has tried it and they like it and they recommend it, feel free to share in the comment section down below. For a second, I thought this was another new arrival to Costco, but no, it seems like they just kind of changed the packaging. But let's talk about these. They're the Daily Facial Towelettes, currently selling for $14. I will say they go on sale once in a while, and if you ever spot them on sale, definitely stock up, because let me tell you, that does not happen very often. Let me show you guys also what I found online through Costco.com. Keep in mind that some of these products already have the shipping and handling included. Like in the case of this YSL, it's lipstick, and it's a slim matte longwear lipstick. So this one I spotted going for $37, and I'm sure that's a very reasonable price considering how much it could cost outside of Costco. They have 3 different shades, and let me show you here. So it's definitely like a little bit more of the red lipsticks, but these are pretty nice. $37. Let me know your thoughts. Here's another good option. It's the Merrell Ladies Antora 3 shoe. I haven't heard of the brand Merrell. I think that's the brand. Let me know if you've had, if you used this brand before. And these shoes look pretty nice. They also look pretty comfortable. So they have a breathable mesh lining to them. They're priced for $70. They're available in 2 colors, blue, and then here is the yellow one. Okay, and I'm seeing sizes 6 through 11. Here's the next item. It's the iced coffee and protein. 30 servings in each of these bags. And honestly, guys, I love my protein with iced coffee. That's something that I make, a combination that I drink almost on a daily basis. And $50. I mean, I haven't tried a product from this brand, but let me know if you find this one worth it. It's gluten-free and there's 0 added sugar to it. Here is one I've seen kind of all over social media. It's the Diamondback Hatch 1. I found it going through Costco.com through $500. Let me know your thoughts on this one. There's 2 sizes, the extra small, and then they also have it in extra large. For those of you that also like to keep up your Christmas lights, and if you could, you would keep them year round, like my case, like myself, I should say. I found these Enbrighten 100-foot outdoor color-changing Wi-Fi Eternity Eve lights. Sounds super interesting to me, and probably something that I would be willing to purchase because I love seeing lights on my house. Is that just me, or is that also like something that you think? This one I found it going for $160. They have them in black and then white, but I'm not sure. Oh, I think it's the cable that changes. And apparently you can connect it to Alexa. I do have a little Alexa at home, so it would be really nice to say, hey, Alexa, change my house or change the colors of my house to Christmas theme or change it to just a white color. Thought this was very innovative for sure. For anyone here who is a Lego fan, they have the Lego Star Wars, the R2-D2 also online now. It's priced at $85. And it's a pretty nice set. Here's what's included. You have this little information table, and then you also have the other character that is Darth Malak, and this one's priced at $85. Here's a Kirkland signature product for those of you with dogs. It's a pet bed, and it's a pinch Pleat 2-in-1. It's priced for $45. They have it in a couple of different colors. Dark gray, you saw the charcoal one. They have it in ivory gray. Here's a tan one, and then here's like a little bit more of a beige one. But I did see that it has this type of padding that's probably perfect for like for those of you that have crates. It also has a removable pad. And that is all that I have for today. Remember to turn on your notification button to know when I have uploaded a new video. See you guys next time.